Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, we're gonna talk about Carrier Hub on your Android phone. So make it sure to watch until the end because I will also explain what to do if you don't see it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, check if you have a Carrier Hub on your phone. Alright, to do that, go to settings and go to your app application management. Alright, so just scroll down, tap app management, tap app list, and after that, just scroll down the list or use the search bar and type Carrier Hub. So you may find it Carrier Hub Magenta, or Carrier Hub Sprint. In my case, my phone doesn't have Carrier Hub. So anyway, what is Carrier Hub? Carrier Hub is a system app used by certain mobile carriers like T-Mobile and Sprint, mostly in the US. It helps with Wi-Fi calling, carrier-specific features, network configuration, and updates. Alright, so you will find it on your phone that are carrier locked or purchased directly from T-Mobile or Sprint. It can also install automatically when you insert a SIM card from those network. Alright, so that's it. It works quietly in the background to help your phone connect to carrier services. Most of the time you can fully delete it, but you might be able to disable in the settings. Just go to the app section and Carrier Hub. Alright, so if your phone works fine, you don't really need to worry about it. It's not a virus, it's just for carrier features. So that's it. Now you know what Carrier Hub is on Android. So thanks for watching and see you next time.